So we had a customer who said that the brakes were making a grinding sound, and that they had just got their brakes done not that long ago, and they didn't understand why they're having brake problems already. And initially, you can see that the brake pads have lots of meat left on them. They're practically brand new. That's a new caliper, relatively new, and this was a new rotor. But when we pulled the rotor on this left side where the noise was coming from, these parts fell out. You'll also notice the shiny, and that's supposed to be back there, not out here. It's supposed to be back there, not out here. See this side? How it has a spring and a cup and a retention pole there, that little pin there that goes from the backing plate through. This side, it's gone. And so that's been rubbing on the inside face of that rotor and causing a noise, and sometimes binding up and causing issues. So we'll fix it.